every lesson, you light the way, guiding our dreams each and every day. With patience and care, you help us grow the seeds of wisdom you gently sow. Through every question, you're by our side, a beacon of hope, our trusted guide. Thank you, teacher, for all that you do, for the strength and the love that shines through. You shape the future with knowledge so true. We celebrate this day because of you. You teach us more than words can say, to chase our dreams, to find our way. With courage and faith, you make us strong. Your voice in our hearts will carry on. Through every challenge, you light the flame, exploding us to rise again. Thank you, teacher, for all that you do, for the strength and the love that shines through. You shape the future with knowledge so true. We celebrate this day because of you. The world is brighter because you care. The gift of learning you always share. Forever grateful, we sing this song to honor the ones who make us strong. Thank you, teacher, for all that you do, for the strength and the love that shines through. You shape the future with knowledge so true. Happy Teachers' Day, we honor you. We honor you.
Manila, thank you for everything that you taught us. We will always love you until the end, and thank you for being patient, caring, and loving.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Yanela, for taking good care of me, for your patience in teaching, and for the love you have shown. You have made a big difference in my learning and in who I am becoming. I will never forget your kindness. God bless you, Ma'am.
Salamat po ma'am sa pagtuturo at pag-guide mo sa amin araw-araw. Salamat din po sa pagiging pangalawang nanay namin. Hindi po namin makakalimutan yung mga pinagsamahan natin. Lalo na sa mga masasayang araw, lagi ka pong nasa puso at isip ko. I love you po, Ma'am Yanila!
Ma'am, malapit na po ang pagtatapos ng school year. Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa lahat na natutunan ko sa klase nyo. Sobrang nakakatulong po ang lahat na itinuro niyo sa akin. Sana ay magkaroon po kayo ng maraming blessings at happy moments. Salamat po ulit, ma'am.
Salamat po ma'am sa paggabay sa amin. At maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtuturo. Salamat din po sa tiyaga mo sa amin kahit po makukulit kami. Bye ma'am.
Hi Ma'am Jobel, thank you po sa pagtuturo sa amin. Miss po kita ma'am bilang teacher ko. Salamat po ma'am sa pagtsatsaga sa kakulitan ko. Thank you po ma'am.
Dear Ma'am Jobel, thank you for your patience, kindness, and dedication. Your hard work makes learning exciting and enjoyable. I appreciate everything you do and feel lucky to have you as my teacher.
Thank you, Ma'am, for being our advisor. You have treated me and my classmates with your tender, loving heart. You discharge bullying and belittling anyone. You are there when we face challenges and trials. God bless your kind and humbled heart, Ma'am. Thank you for everything.
Thank you po, Ma'am Yanila.
Hello, Ma'am Jubel. Salamat dahil naging class advisor kita. Salamat dahil naniwala ka sa kakayahan ko. Naranasan kong sumayaw, mapanood, manalo at kabahan. Na-appreciate ko po lahat ng ginawa mo. I love you, Ma'am.
Maraming salamat po ma'am sa inyong pagtuturo at pag-aalaga sa amin. Hindi ko po makakalimutan ang lahat ng aral na binigay nyo. Hindi lamang sa paaralan, kundi pati na rin sa buhay. Sobrang pasasalamat ko po sa inyong pagtitiis at dedikasyon para mapabuti kami bilang mag-aaral. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Ma'am Jubel, sa lahat. Sa kabaitan, pag-aalaga, pagtsatsaga ninyo sa amin. Kahit nagiging pasaway ako palagi. Maraming salamat po.
Hello po, Ma'am Yanila. I want to express my gratitude for having you as our teacher and advisor. Thank you for everything you do for us, especially my extending your patience and understanding. I love you, ma'am, and I'll miss you.
Maraming salamat po sa pagtuturo ng magandang asal sa amin at kahit po magulo at maingay po kami ay pinagpapasensyahan niyo po pa rin kami. Mamimiss po namin ikaw. Yun lang po.
Thank you po sa lahat ng pagtitiis nyo sa amin kahit maingay kami. Basta po tandaan nyo, mamimiss po namin kayo at sana wag nyo kaming kakalimutan.
Yanila, may God bless you po and may you live well.
Hi po, Ma'am Yanila. Thank you for teaching and for your endless patience and for being a second parent to each and one of us. Thank you for guiding us and for your hard work. Thank you so much again, Ma'am Yanila. Hi po, Ma'am Yanila. Thank you for your hard work, your patience, and sacrifices on teaching us. I am truly grateful for everything you do. Thank you again, Ma'am.
Hello po, ma'am. I just want to thank you po sa lahat-lahat ng mga pangaral at pagmamahal mo po sa amin. Kahit na minsan makulit at mapasaway po kami. Love you po, ma'am. Hi, Ma'am Yanila. I just want to say thank you for teaching us and supporting us.
Thank you, Ma'am. We will miss you. See you around.
Thank you, Ma'am, for your sacrifice for teaching and guiding us with your important and mindful lessons, and for leading us to be a fair and intelligent student in our school. Thank you, Ma'am, and we will miss you.
Salamat po, Ma'am Yanila, sa walang sawang paggabay at pagmamahal. Hindi po namin malilimutan ang mga aral at sakripisyo niyo. To Ma'am Yanila, Ma'am, thank you po sa lahat. Salamat po dahil may mga natutunan po akong aral galing po sa inyo. Salamat po sa mga lessons at salamat po sa mga effort niyo sa pagtuturo sa amin. Salamat din po dahil hindi po kayo sawa sa amin kahit makulit po kami.
Hello, Ma'am. Thank you for teaching us and making us laugh. Sana i-guide ka ni Lord palagi. Goodbye, Ma'am.